Welcome to the Arkesel tutorial on how to send a group SMS. Today, we'll walk you through the process in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, you'll need to create an SMS template. To do this, navigate to SMS and select SMS template. Now, click the Create Template button. Here, you will get a form to fill in the details for your new SMS template. First, let's start with the template name field. Give your template a name relevant to your need. Next, the sender ID field. Enter the sender ID you'd like to associate with this SMS template. If you want to personalize your messages with contact information like first names, last names, or emails, use the Add Field to Message field option. Finally, the Message field. This is where you'll compose your SMS message. When you're done, click the Save button to create your new SMS template. Now let's move on to creating a contact. Navigate the dashboard and select Contact. If you don't already know how to create a contact, be sure to check out our tutorial on how to create contacts on our channel for step-by-step instructions. Once you've created your new contact list, you can move on to the next step. Now, let's send a group SMS. On the dashboard, click on SMS and select Bulk SMS. Choose or provide the sender ID you want to use for this SMS. Please note that the sender ID should not exceed 11 characters and should not be numeric. In the SMS template field, select the SMS template you created earlier. This will automatically fill the message field with your customized message. If you want to personalize your message further, you can add a new field from the Add Field to Message field option. Next, in the Contact field, select your preferred contacts from your existing contact list. Now let's take a look at the Recipients field. Here you can add any additional phone number that isn't on your contact list. You can enter multiple numbers, separated by a semicolon, horizontal bar, tab, or new line. The system will also allow you to remove any duplicates that exist in your recipient field. Arkesel provides you with the option of scheduling your message to be sent at a later time. To do this, simply check the Send Later choice box and give the time you would like your SMS to be sent. Finally, click the Send SMS button and your group SMS will be on its way. To check the message history and verify the status of messages sent to each recipient, navigate to Reports on the dashboard and select SMS Campaigns. Find the campaign you just sent, and click the Report button. Here, you'll see an overview of the messages sent in this campaign. To verify the status of messages sent to each recipient, click on the Recipients option above. And that's it. You've successfully sent a group SMS using Arkesel. If you have any more questions, you can contact us for further assistance. Please feel free to explore our other tutorials on the Arkesel channel. Thanks for watching.